Omanju muri Ndizi TV andonse soberete nande baroni ngokwarikania SMS mangana mayekera ochiaragire Chinsa Ikomi cheritko diarero Roditko lia chumaine chitarikine meronge na isano mutinyino yokano mwago jirubere ne meronge na soto ekaronse meredina ni wanda te utwara ritko liao itoereru ekarabono nande liisire we kumba kone ritari kumba ni ona kwara nini ora mena lianda te watika ime na isko ya Gusii anekaro ase county ya Nyamira abo bisa bobo chenu bakorawa anumu wasiri bobo chenu Susan Wafura bare asensemeyo eriko inyora usikuriri meroberi ya serikali ya bekire anego sirobo chenu anekaro litukuria lero lyalengeri tuko liesosera gose Marel World Day igo ayunaro ara sorgongoro Gusii kerobo igo twarabuna apa MCB county ya Kisii nigo bono ba Krisko body eri kolika bakuremere mase county ya Kisii anekereki na kya begetwe no mwakyo yomo wekura gose omumenyi yomo we county ya Kisii Benson yatika oyo negative na audio koboli ba kusikonderi tukorero mbanyara ba wakwa isiko ayungati yali amange kwa ntasense meri chikosoli ekosoli ya chess nigende dase skuru yabomura ya Kisii ongo kwa ni obena inchego ikomo eryo karoto kubatrana na bigeri nyanchama aene kibuna mali ogine chibichago chira senjira bene munabotamberiane Brighton Makori. Chinsa Ikomi banoni gotoko ya Koruase county ya Kisii anene sense meli ya daraja moja anekrumu basakano webaro nyargo kwenekiwa litko ya sense meli anene kregali anene ya nyaragi kubatran jigari chinde chinge sense meyo ekero karutokanyete omo speedwe county ya Kisii sub county police commander anyarega kwenekege korugyo marikito Josephat Amis no ara sense meyo anene ekero omo speed we county ya Kisii police sub county police commander arajigo kwana ntokumanya mange ngakimu basakano yunyara ko korekana sense meyo tokota imbara bibasiro mwabo na ningikiri basakano yugo kora ayonsi ni garaji kwenekiwa no sub county police of commander ase county ya Kisii gosa sense meyo ya Kisii Central gontokanyete kondo murikito no ara sense meyo na tutwateri nganeyo. Omowasiri bobo chenu Susan Wafura ngati yabakori mirimo be serikali gosaba bisabe serikali ebanyara bawe ikasense meri yekerenyo yegotoka sebunge ya North Mugirango county ya Nyamira nene keroli tukilia lero lyari kunyurwa merobiriki yabekirwe anekorwa ni burweri bwe sosera gosimareri kaukwa na sense meyo nikabana ne serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nene yekora urumurayi bwenze Dr. Gwira Muto nikabana babekire merobiri yabene kwene kimna ngurwani baramaroire au asensi ya Kenya bagasalire irabuna mbachiko sira community health workers eriko kore mirimo yabo wiya.
I have instructions from the president on what to do to support the community health promoters. Hiyo ndio jeshi mpya ya serikali ya William Samoei Ruto, na anataka kuhakikisha wanaingia mashinani katika kila nyumba kuangalia hali ya afya ya hiyo nyumba. Tumempatia kit, akiingia kwa boma kwanza arejeste watu wote kwa hiyo boma, kwa sababu tumempatia gadget ambaye ataweka majina, aseme hii boma kuna mzee mmoja, sijui kama hapa Kisii kama kule kwetu kwa Waluya kuna mama wawili ama watatu, watoto ni wangapi, awaweke kwa hiyo. Kisha achukue hali ya afya ya hiyo familia, angalie mambo ya temperature ziko namna gani, angalie mambo ya sukari iko namna gani, angalie mambo ya hypertension iko namna gani.
Omolekyo itobano jobu mangi Gurwasi county ya Nyamira no ara sense meyenda ta kutwalika ni roboti oru asenjera bukarano ekaro chikoro nyora senjera yobukarano ikoragense ya moya bono marwaba ekara ko manyuna no nye no mowasiri be semye sekirma jogo no arenge sense meigati yebaraiba ne kutukuska bosio yotukarana ndase county ya Kisii sebono yene kiwebene buna body eri kulika bakuri mirimo ase county ya Kisii nigo bono yanyareke gwakwa isigo yani gagoja maega yaba MCA be county ya Kisii kusangana abande ekero bakachikura aneyera buna bono body eyo ya Kirisiko Naftali Ongoba oyoro mu MCA be ward ya Nyacheki boigorenge umunyakero bobwe kamati eri yale kolingo na kurigeri ngani eyo nigaya kwanira ya litiko lya lero
alitiko lya lero abajumbe be county ite ya Kisii bakachikura chiogo support omuswada olete tuwe bunge yokorusia a public service board as a office ntebenga after a committee yarigereirie a petition yarete tuna Mr. Atika amagoso ali Mr. Atika atebete a board eri jaroka ntekebwata amagoso ao ligose limo okolika abantu chigasi without advertisement ligoso linde gokora promotions irregularly ligoso linde omochea we county public service board aga accept a contract akabere yere maminchane lichiko ligotebanga a member of the public service board as of 6 years non-renewable lakini eraga accept a contract yakabere yego chiko make as have in that office for 8.5 years. So unanimously members were bring a body itigendeka a body enyerikwe. Nekere body enyekorikwa. Igo tutayete gusaba mugabana barigere kabisa bari baguchikorika abantu bari kubabwate integrity chapter 6 of the constitution. Na barabonye bagocha violate the constitution. Assembly gere macho ikiagera abana abajumbe bache ori n'abananchi korosia machiko na koba oversight igo oversight yabonere bagokora nandi magendere gukora gwakikisha nge county yaito yasukire mutwe
azenze moya yomwe muzie oba central muraja nere na ingane yoburito asate abuna body ndera jigoso ase county ya Kisii ekore mirimo ya yabuya nero kirabete ekora mirimo ya buya nero nabegochi wakwa isikasa mubudi mugavana bwe county ya Kisii kuba maiso ekero bagochi kokora bokoreri asamatuko alebosio.
Mimi naitwa Muracha Henry, kiongozi wa walio wengi katika bunge letu la Kisii. Leo ningependa kushukuru wajumbe wenzangu sababu tumeenda kule bungeni tukajadili mswada ambao ulikuwa umepatiwa kamati kuu ya leba, imeleta ule mswada bungeni na wajumbe wote tuko 71, but out of 71 wajumbe 69 wamepitisha ile ripoti. Na hata wale wawili walipinga. Si eti tunawachukia, ni haki yao. Na tumeshukuru kwa kupinga kwao sababu minority wana say, lakini sisi walio wengi tuna njia yetu. Na ningependa kumwambia gavana wetu kuwa ile board mahali ilikuwa imekaa zile ofisi kama kiongozi wa walio wengi, nimesikia kuna vununu kuwa wala ambao wametimuliwa ofisini huenda wakachoma ile mahali. Kwa hivyo awe very keen, aweke security iwe enough pale ili hao watu ambao wametumuliwa ofisini waende nyumbani, na kama wana shida kuna koti ambao itasuluhisha hayo maneno. Kwa hivyo nashukuru wajumbe wenzangu, tumefanya ile kitu. Na ile bodi ambayo itakayokuja, vile mumeambiwa na mheshimiwa Michael, lazima mufanye haki kwa mwananchi. Msipofanya haki, wembe ni ule ule.
Umunajibina matakome umunachibino manene just matakome ni gobono anyarire gakuburia kiombe gya Kenya National Board Service Commission kogenda gukora bokori waye gusiko kora mirimo ya yabu ya sense ya Kenya nigaya kwana ya litiko lero chinga kichogotaniwa kwa bita kiptunui buna motenio manene bwe kiombe kyo gya National Board Service Commission asiritiko lero.
In the judiciary and the wider justice sector, working under the auspices of the National Council on the Administration of Justice, pledge our support to the Commission in your efforts to create a police service that is responsive to the needs and aspirations of the Kenyan people. To conclude, I urge you to continue helping the Commission guide the police service to discharge their mandate with integrity, diligence and impartiality as expected by our Constitution and other laws. And as you have sworn in the oath of office, Let the Constitution and the law be your guide.
Jigosori judges nigo jigendreta sukuru ya bamura ya Kisii asaborokiwa abari bakora jigosori ejibago keire jigosori ejo ekromori kitonde most ni agendreta kutubwatiringane eyo nasanga nagati ya aborokiwa bari bagwaka egosori eyo ya chess tetrayunga kyabana abo bagendreta kogokera egosori eyo.
My name is Danish and I'm from Aga Khan Academy, Mombasa, but I'm trained in MCA club by Coach Paul. I like chess because it's a mind game and it's also a patience game. And my dream in chess is someday to be the world champion and I really love chess. I really appreciate it because if it was not for my mom, then who would come with me? Because my other family members were.
Omokonyi bumurai bwense katika ni gara sinzi ya Botswana anekera nyarega kuminana na barai bwense yo amana ba Kenya bari bamenyata senseme yo asaga okeiro bwa matobu ya bwense ya Kenya amana Botswana asadevne serikali ya Kenya wetero murai bwense mbachiko tinge bwa matobu eriko kendera okorano ne biashara au
beef ranching. I had an opportunity yesterday to visit one of the fields and where we saw quality cattle. We have also taken time here to enjoy sumptuous beef dishes, and undoubtedly I agree with the president, that your beef is actually the best for the countries harvested. Some have not harvested, and we intend to have more benchmarking where we can learn the best practices in terms of beef rearing, so that the people of Kenya can benefit from the expertise and knowledge in that matter. Again, tomorrow we want to go out there and sample your tourism. Just a way of benchmarking. I am told that you are very.
Kubotikana nobo saga ni bolibora sense ya Sudani nigo yairete aborokiwa balibare gosomera sense ya Sudani kuirana ka ekerbanya letiba kware no aburi tkuregoro kerbegeta sigetikiriya chomo kende international airport ekrobali ganetwe ebali ganitwe nomo minister go se cabinet secretary of defense Aden Ndwale ekerbona te namba gendete kwene kwena borokiwa bali batikare torro ngocha bara sense ya Kenya elinde goikense yo ya twerere gosobo tweru babeira sense ya Sudan.
From Sudan. To accomplish this task, a multi-agency team has been established to execute the evacuation exercise informed by a real-time assessment of the ever-changing security situation in Khartoum and in Sudan in general. We will continue to update the country as this process unfolds. I urge all Kenyans stranded in the Sudan and their families in Kenya to continue registering through the links shared by the State Department for Diaspora Affairs, through their social media accounts and the hotline telephone numbers. The first successful evacuation flight that has delivered 39 evacuees, of which 19 are Kenyans, 19 are from the Somali nationality, and one evacuee is from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Gati ya borokiwa bubaigeta sinsi ya Kenya ni obanyarde bakwera ali agendeta sense meyo ya Sudan ekrobade tawanigo ya lengega senkongu konde bagakira monenya sai nambuye kroba baigete asigetikiria chomo Kenyatta International Airport aburitko rigoro.
So there was a lot of shooting and a lot of bombing going for almost 24 hours, and we experienced power shortage and water shortage.
The situation there is very chaotic, and we thank God that we really were able to move out of it safely. No student was injured and we came safely.
Ekero amarua atanjiri agendete kobeke gochige tindi anena sense meria centro nigo bono aboja bibo tindi bogendete sense meyu aneli tkola rekera banyimbo banyara bakobeka bantoto byara abubalenge na marua tanjiri anekero bale kubrukania maru ayande asayande kunende kolengana banyimbe sense meyu nigo bono baba bwatira bantabwe kero bacha kiro botuge ekorora ingibaro okorera mangana ayo ekero baigo batokane meuri korwase kembegeri ke wanjere bintokoni wa sense ya Kenya ngosikemanyika na Caps.
Hapa miezi 3 ambayo imepita na kwa sasa hii wameweza kutoa rodi 6 hapa kufikia mpaka Nchana. Hii ilikuwa sasa wanaanza kutengeneza rodi yao ya 7. They only producing one product, but it's packed in different brands. It's only the bottles that are in different brands, but the content is only one.
Hekartogos kabos yakartorgetiko kora neri na kubotkana nembure nyinge ndete go tuas jinsemo aho imeyense ya Kenya ni gabamenyi be jinsemo aho endete ko gendera konyora sare nyinge kolengana nembure yenene gotwa anene kurwa sense media Mandera East igabanta bange yabairire kunganya kuruchinsemo aho na kunganya gochiase ebitunugoro erikonyoro morembe ekerembura egenderete kubasagana na kubasagesi kuruchinsemo echo.
In Mandera Township Ward, more than 600 households has been affected by floods. We have noted that there is destructions of houses, toilets, food items, and house also submerged. So currently, the first intervention we are doing is to relocating the affected populations to a safer zone.
Ayo bano ntararenga Chinsa Ikomi kolendo muri kyito Josphat Amisi akomanyimina kubatikana nombaza kanolio kolekana sense meri ya daraja moja nigo montoyomo aenekiwe gosirio bugima bwaye ekeregali eyo yabwate mesigo korwase county Nairobi yanyetuo mebika bwe ma sense meyo ya daraja moja eyo erange ne skuru yobobundi ya Kisii. Boigo nigaote abuna abana boda boda bensemeyo osibali bare angene pare yo nigo bakubolia serikali enene kobeke meroberi ya bene gosikobeka matuta sebare yo erigotange bebasukana bune yugo kolekana ase ensemeyo sasensi yito ya Kenya ayuna na kwa ndio mwanchumulelia nande kogendete gukumi ali yo pastor Bauru Mackenzie nige kigambero gya Kajiado bono kyanyarige ko musiekero musubati matuko Ikomi ekero kiganyete obotugo kolekana ekero musubati yo asoerere buna nige kagire buna niga muitete omwana oyo munyaruka we myaka 2 akamoita nago liechi nakoli echi ebimo biensemo gose bimuberoye anene chinsemo chaye chebod organs ayo na aragenda tokolekana imeyense itu ya Kenya wane tukwebori buna nensi yetwekire chingobweka usina abantu betwekire chingobweka tumirane angyo asomoroberi gwensakya kolende nyorako ase ense ya mya margoba no chikomera ne frino sero akumanya mange buna balikweto baendete ko yaligania twakonyana na abgari nyanchamo yoene kibuna agochirwetera seriogi amone chibicha eriane Brighton Makori.
Ndizi TV Obwansu Bwomugusi TV Obwansu Bwomugusi Nigo torenchera nababwata ni baito